Hi, I'm Caroline from Spectrum. In this video, we'll be unboxing and setting up the Spectrum Aurora Gold Luxe 2 ring light. Inside the box, you'll find a welcome pack, a Spectrum Aurora carry bag, a power cable, the ring light itself with a half mirror, a flexible gooseneck, a camera bracket, a mobile bracket, and an L-shaped bracket, and the light stand. If you need any more help, just have a look at your user guide that comes with your product, or go on the website for full assembly instructions. Let's have a look at the setup. Each ring light comes with a light stand. Now be aware that the legs open in the opposite direction. So to set it up, unscrew the knob and pull the two legs to open. And then screw to tighten. When setting up your light stand, remember to extend the vertical columns evenly to ensure stability. To mount the ring light onto the stand, you first need to attach the flexible gooseneck onto it. So attach it by screwing it onto the bottom. Then mount the gooseneck directly onto the light stand and screw here to tighten. This gooseneck allows you to position the light in whichever way that you feel. Here are some safety tips for when you use your ring light. When powering your ring light, we strongly advise that you use a power surge protector. To power the ring light, attach the power cable to the bottom of the ring light, then press the white button to switch it on. Use the dimmer knob to adjust the brightness of the light that you want, and the color temperature knob to change the color from cool to warm to suit different skin tones. To ensure the stability of your ring light, we recommend that you use an optional sandbag on the front leg of your light stand. To mount the half mirror, attach it in between the two tabs here and here. And you should hear it click when it's in place. Then remember to peel off the plastic film that protects it. To mount your phone onto the ring light, you need to use the gold L-shaped bracket and the phone holder. Start by mounting a phone onto the phone holder. Then mount the phone holder onto the gold L bracket. Then attach the bracket directly onto the ring light. Adjust and screw to tighten, and you can make any final adjustments for it to best fit. This is a camera bracket with a rotating ball head that you can use to mount onto the bottom of any camera. Just screw it in and then mount that directly onto the ring light. And screw this knob here to secure. You can also rotate the camera by undoing this knob here and adjusting it as you please. The camera bracket also supports the phone holder and connects in the same way like this. You can then connect your phone directly onto the ring light like this. And remember to screw the knob here to tighten. You can also unscrew this knob here to rotate the position that you like. You can also use this optional multi-device bracket to connect any phone or device up to 10.9 inches onto your ring light. To use it, just press this side button to extend it, attach your device, and then press it down to secure. Then attach the entire device directly onto your ring light and tighten this knob here to secure. You can also attach any tablet up to 10 inches using this optional tablet bracket. Start by unlocking the bracket by turning this knob 90 degrees to unlock, then open it up and attach the tablet and fit into place. Remember to lock it back up by turning the knob 90 degrees again. Then attach that entire mount directly onto the ring light and turn the knob to tighten. An optional desk stand is also available. To set that up, just pull on all 3 legs and push on the central column to stabilize, and then screw the knob to tighten. The desk stand is a perfect option if you have limited space, and it's also really easy to mount your ring light to it. Just unscrew the knob, place it on top of the stand, and screw to tighten. The optional mobile shutter remote allows you to conveniently take photos in front of the camera, like selfies. All you have to do is connect it to any 3.5mm jack input, but for some mobile devices, you may need an adapter. The new Spectrum Aurora ring light range consists of 3 lights: the Mini Pearl 2 14-inch ring light, the Diamond Luxe 2 18-inch ring light, and the Gold Luxe 2 19-inch ring light.